Hello again mga ka-dreamer! Mega love shout to everyone! This is Server Dreamer. Welcome back again to Server Dreamer Online Classroom. For today, our lesson is now all about operations on set. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Let's have first union of sets. Okay, union of sets, and we have the symbol. It looks like U. Take note, the symbol for union of set is look like capital letter U. The union of set A and B symbolizes by A union B is the set containing all the elements that are members of set A or of set B or both of set. Or in short, you are going to combine all the elements from set A and set B. So that is the union of sets A. You are going to combine all the elements from set A to set B. For example, find the union of set A and B. We have the given elements on A and B. We have this arrow, heart, the one, cross, triangle. And we have set B, the parallelogram, X, and arrow left and right. Okay, to get for the union, you are going to combine the elements of A and the elements of B. So we have A union B is equal to the following elements. You are going to list all the elements from A and B. Okay, did you get it? Very good. Let's have another example. Find the union of C and D. Oh, you're just going to combine the same thing what you're going to do. Combine all the elements from given set C and given set D elements of D. Okay? So, the elements of the union of C, D are, ayan, diamond, square, star equal, half moon, and the arrow up. Did you get it? Very good. And let's have now intersection of sets. What is intersection of sets? The intersection of sets A and B, written as A inverted U. The symbol for intersection is inverted U. Did you get it? Okay, very good. It's a set of elements that are members of both an A and B. When we say intersection, for example, A and B, elements that can be seen from set A and set B. They are members on set A, set B. Example, find the intersection of C and D. See the example. We have the following elements of C and elements of D. What are the elements which are common or the same member on set A, set C and D? We have star and equal. Very good. And another example. Okay, so let's have another example. Set A, we have the following fruits: apple, orange, pineapple, and melon. And set B, banana, cherry, apple, grapes. So let's find first the union of A and B. Union of A and B, again, you are just going to combine all the elements. But in the intersection, which is common or member on set A, set B? What is the intersection of A and B? Apple. Very good. Okay, so let us practice. For example, in math, now, given set A, set B, set C. We have set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B, 2, 4, 6. Set C, 1, 3, 5. Okay, what is the intersection or find the intersection of A and B? Again, what does it mean by intersection? What does it mean by intersection? A and B. Common or members on A and B. What are the intersection? 2, 4, and 6. Very good. Did you get it? Very good. Ayan. That is what we called operation on sets. We have union, intersection, and what we have the last one, which is difference. The difference is just look like you're going to subtract. For example, the difference of A and B. A minus B. A minus B. What are the elements that you cannot see? You cannot see, for example, set A, set B. These are the elements that you can see in A that are not in B. So just like that. That is difference, okay? So that is the operation of sets. Okay? Naintindihan? Very good. That's all our lesson for today. Operation on sets. The intersection, the union, and the difference. Thank you for watching.